Hello world, this is Darin Martineau with Team Freedom. And in this video, I'm going to show you some free tools that you can get simply by opting in, subscribing to my list, putting in your name and email, and I'm going to show you just some of the things I get. There's a lot of things. One of the tools that I'm going to teach you to use is Lead Sleep. This is a free tool, and what you're going to get with this is you're going to get the free membership includes a robust suite of forever free internet marketing tools, including a built in autoresponder, landing page and pop up builder, link traffic, and link tracker and traffic ad network. So the free tier includes the following specific features and limits. The autoresponder is called SendSteed, and you can manage up to 10 distinct email lists with unlimited subscribers. Free members can send broadcast emails, but cannot create automated follow up sequences without upgrading to the pro level. Okay, so what you can get, you can earn money, 25% in recurring commissions on the free level. When you upgrade to the pro level, you're going to get 50%. Okay, so I'm going to go over some bonuses here. First, I'm going to go over some of the free tools that I give you when you log into my system. This is what it's going to look like inside the Team Freedom system. It's a 12-step system. The first step, you're going to join for free by putting in your name and email. Then on step one, you're going to join what's called the ClickBank Profit Club. You're going to join this as a free marketing training, absolutely 100% free. The next step is going to be Nexus Rewards. This one is $9.95 a month. You can save over $5,000 a year. Okay. The next step, number 3, is the one I'm talking about here, which is Lead Sleep. Now you can join for free, like I said, or you can join the pro level. The pro level, you're going to get a lot more things. You're going to get paid ads in the traffic network. You're going to get unlimited autoresponder, SendSteed, and you're going to get 50% commissions, which is recurring commissions. I then have a whole bunch more tools, which I'm not going to talk about today, but I'm going to talk about my bonuses and how they work out. So, what happens when you join Team Freedom, the free level, you get access to a whole bunch of free things. Now, when you join the any of the upgrades, such as the Nexus Rewards or the Lead Sleep Pro, or other things, you get more. But I'm going to talk about what these bonuses are. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a value of my exclusive bonus package valued at over $505. When you do any of the upgrades, though, this is only when you do the upgrades, such as joining Nexus Rewards, which is $10 a month. You start to get access and you start to unlock these. Now let's talk about Lead Sleep. When you join Lead Sleep Pro through my link, I'm going to give you over 300 email marketing follow-up messages. Okay, and then what you're going to get is you're going to get, as you can see here, you're going to get when you join Lead Sleep Pro. Okay, Lead Sleep Pro is $27 a month for the Pro. You now the bonus I give for that, like I said, is over 300 email marketing follow-up messages. However, I also teach you how to create your own email marketing um, using my super prompt, AI super prompt, which I give you when you upgrade to this. So you're going to get over 300 email marketing follow-up messages, which is valued at $40 right there. And then you're going to get my super prompt. My super prompt allows you, it's my super prompt ChatGPT AI prompt, allows you to create email marketing campaign for anything. Okay, the next thing we're going to talk about in my bonus package is when you join any of my upgrades, such as Lead Sleep Pro or Nexus Rewards, or you upgrade within the ClickBank Profits Club, anytime you do this, you're going to unlock this incredible exclusive bonus package, which is valued at over $505 of real value. This is not PLR. This is real value. So what are you going to get? You're going to get to copy my Team Freedom funnel. Okay. You're going to get access to my exclusive marketing video training, part 1 and part 2. You're going to get 50 viral videos bundle pack. You're going to get the unlimited free traffic guides, all of my secret traffic sources, my secret traffic Rolodex, my secret viral traffic Rolodex. You're going to get my ebook guide on the best recurring affiliate programs that you can promote, and everything you can see here. So what I want you to do is click on the link and put in your name and email right now, and I'll give you access to Team Freedom. And then as you unlock these bonuses, you're going to see this incredible value and how to help you make money online. So thank you very much.